you see the wood, it has a calming effect on you.
You know, when you walk through this building, what kind of feeling do you get?
Bell's capability to pull something off like this, I don't know if there was another player that could have done what we did.
Bell was a tremendous partner in the design, also with their structural engineer that they had.
I really enjoyed the process because they were willing to work with us, and they brought everyone to the table that needed to be at the table.
You know, the whole experience, the professionalism, the way they put their shop drawings together, the finished product, the way pieces come together, just beautiful.
Being there and available, and they're not just a distributor, they're the guys doing the work and supplying the material and fabricating the material. That was huge.
You know, it wasn't just the salesman working with us, it was the structural engineer, it was guys in the shop coming back with ideas. I think I get more input from Bell than I do a steel fabricator because everything here is visible. And they understand that, and they're looking to promote that. So if you really want a structure where you're looking at the structure and want to see the beauty of wood, working with Bell is the answer.
If a client came to me and asked mass timber, what do you think? What I would suggest is, let's take a little tour of a project and just walk through this building and look at the beauty of it and what it says.
We really wanted this to be a very home-like feel. That was one of the owner's express desires.
One of the great things about this particular structure is the beauty, you know, the attention to detail.
It really brings it to another level of talking about nature and your connection to nature through the wood.
You know, mass timber is a great option for construction.
Mass timber was absolutely the way to go. I would recommend using Bell moving forward.
Most of the structures that we work on is everything's covered up. You cover it up with architecture, you hide it. Mass timber, you don't, you expose it. You know, you want to see it.
Obvious benefit to me is what I see. You know, what the people that come into the building look at, and they look up and they see this beautiful wood.
Everybody was focused on the goal of just making this look as best as we can make it with concealed connections and perfect fit up.
The way that Bell pulled it all together, they were top notch.
It went together like a kit of parts, which was really nice.
It's been, in my opinion, a very great success.